My potatoes look absolutely tragic. So let's harvest. My potato plants grew really nice and big throughout the season, but now that they've died off, it's a really good sign that it's time to harvest. So let's see what we got. Ooh, it's warm in here. Give me potatoes. Oh. One potato. Oh, hell yeah. There was a big plant here, so I feel really good about this area. Let's see what happens when we pull this out. Potatoes! They're raining! Abundance! Potatoes! I don't know if you guys followed my potato journey last year, but this is redemption. No potato left behind. Oh! We got some big taters. Oh! How deep do I gotta go? Big potato. Big potato. Big potato. Big potato. Fun fact, potatoes are actually in the same family as tomatoes. And you can really tell by the little fruit that potatoes produce. Yeah, potatoes produce little fruit. But don't eat it, they're incredibly poisonous. Potatoes! Ooh, we got some big ones. Oh! That's our biggest potato yet. Oh, you sneaky buggers. They're in the crack. It's hot as hell. Potato! Nice! Come on, potato. Oh, potato! Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, shit. She did not disappoint. Oh, where'd you go? My potatoes. Abundance! This is the best potato harvest I've ever had. Wow. Talk about redemption.